Hey guys, it's Tomotoda, and today I'm going to show you how to make these simple hair ties using button covers. So the first thing that you'll need are button covers. And I'm not sure if that is what they are called, but it says button cover. And I bought this from Amazon a long time ago actually. I already used one pack and I had this one left. So this is what it looks like. And these are the backings. And these are the fronts. You want to make sure that the backings have these loops here. You can also buy it at Daiso. I don't know why this is ripped off, but my mom gave this to me. These are smaller sizes compared to the Buttons U covers, as you can tell. Now you also need as you see in the picture, this thing, which I also bought from Amazon. I think it's from the same company as the Button U covers. My mom might have given me the smaller one from Daiso. I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember. But you need this doohickey? I don't know what it's called. This thingamajig for both sizes. And here they are. So these are for the bigger buttons and these are for the smaller buttons. And the bigger one came with this like acrylic thing, while the small one did not. So I actually ended up cutting one from a piece of cardboard to use myself. The inner hole is the size of this hole here. And the outer size is how much you're going to cut from the fabric, which also, by the way, you need fabric. I have a pre-cut fabric, and as you can see, the image fits inside like this. For the bigger one, I do not have a pre-cut fabric, so let me show you. I have this fabric that I bought on Etsy long time ago, and you know, it's super cute. So basically, I'm going to lay my fabric out, and then I'm gonna take the ring. I'm going to just like, which one should I do? Should I have it in all the way, or should I just have it, hello, peeking out? I'm gonna go with this one. After you're happy with that, take a pen, pencil, whatever you use to draw on fabric. And then, this is obviously not what I use to draw on fabric. Then I'm gonna use a Sharpie. Make sure it doesn't bleed through the back. And if it does, if you have a glass surface like I do, you can just rub it off with acetone or alcohol. But if it's like wood or paper, I don't know. Good luck, bitch. I mean, good luck. Alright, so here's my circle. Now I'm going to cut it out with scissors. Now that my fabric piece is cut out, I'm going to take one of these and one of these. So with our silicone type of thing, we're going to place our fabric on top and then push the top cover inside, making sure that it's even all around. Now the nice thing about this being clear is you can actually look onto the other side and see if it looks like how you want it to. If not, you can redo it, or you can just kind of like pull on the edges to move the image around. And I think that looks good. Satisfied. Then we're going to shove the excess onto the back. We're gonna shove it in, and then we're gonna take our backing with the loop on the outside and put that on top. Then take the pink cap and I'm gonna push it down. Ow! Okay, hold on. So the thing is, I need to use my whole body weight to actually push it down correctly. But the camera is in the way and I don't want to knock it over. But I'm going to try this again. There we go. You're gonna hear it or feel it snap in. Okay. That looks done. Pop it out. And here you have your button. All nice and covered. Oh, you know what I didn't fucking do? I didn't look at the direction of that. Okay, it's too late. So that's my mistake. Now, the reason is because when we thread in our elastic, it's going to be like this. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. It depends if you want your elastic to do this or to do this. And because here's the image and the elastic is not going to lay down as I want it to. But in terms of getting the elastic through, you can use a piece of string, or this is like those bracelet wires. I don't know what it's called. But any like thin malleable wire type of material will do. So first we're going to put the wire in between the elastic like this. And then we're gonna put both ends of the string or the wire through the hole and then pull it through. And then open it up. Pull it through the other side. You can remove the wire. And then pull on it. So it looks like this. Now when we flip it, like I said, it's on the side. The reason why this would matter is when you put it on your hair. So pretend that this is George, but pretend that this is his ponytail, right? I want the image to look like this on his ponytail, but because of the elastic facing this way, when I tie it around, the image is going to be facing sideways. It won't be facing this way. So let me demonstrate the proper way using the smaller buttons. All right, image is facing this way. Then I want the back side to be facing this way. And then press the cap and then pop it out. And here we have the button. Yay! Now we're going to loop the elastic in. And here we have it. You can use it as a bracelet, I guess. But if I have a ponytail and I want to just tie it, it's gonna face the right way. One of the positives of doing this button type of hair tie is you can always replace the elastic if it goes bad. Now here I redid a new one that is actually facing the right way. I'm gonna be a little bit extra, and what I'm going to do is take a Swarovski crystal and taking some Gorilla Glue. I'm going to take a small dab of it, put it on the back, and here are the hair ties completed. Yay! And that's the end of that tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye!